Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Travel World Online, broadcasting live from our newsroom. I am Anika, bringing you your daily dose of global travel and hospitality updates. Before we dive into the details, let's take a look at the major headlines making waves in the travel industry today. First up, Air India Express links Navi Mumbai to Abu Dhabi, marking the airport's first international flight. Next, Fitz Air launches direct flights from Ahmedabad to Colombo, boosting Sri Lanka tourism. In aviation news, FlyDubai bags the Best Connectivity Award as its network crosses 100 destinations. On wellness, yoga and luxury retreats drive wellness tourism into a billion-dollar gold mine. And finally, Minor Hotels sweeps 31 major trophies at the Travel Plus Leisure Awards. And now, the news in detail. A major milestone for Indian aviation. Air India Express has officially announced a new direct flight connecting Navi Mumbai with Abu Dhabi. This marks a historic moment as it becomes the very first international passenger route operating out of the brand new Navi Mumbai International Airport. The service is set to significantly slash travel times for passengers from Western India and provide seamless connectivity for the massive Indian diaspora living in the Gulf. Navi Mumbai is rapidly cementing its status as India's newest international aviation hub. Sri Lanka just got a whole lot closer for travelers from Gujarat. Fitz Air has launched a direct flight connecting Ahmedabad to Colombo. Operating 3 times a week, the flight clocks in at just under 4 hours. Partnering with top hospitality brands, the airline is targeting leisure travelers looking for luxury stays, wellness retreats, and destination weddings. Industry experts predict this direct connection will spark a massive boom in short-haul weekend getaways to the island nation. Moving to the Middle East, FlyDubai has been crowned the airline with the best connectivity in the Middle East at the Business Traveler Awards 2026. This is the third time the carrier has bagged this prestigious honor. The award comes as FlyDubai's network expands past 100 destinations, adding fresh routes like Bangkok and Pokhara. The airline continues to unlock previously underserved secondary markets worldwide. Following International Yoga Day, wellness tourism has officially transformed from a lifestyle trend into a trillion-dollar economic powerhouse. The global yoga tourism segment alone is now valued over $150 billion. India is perfectly positioned to lead this wave, with hotspots like Rishikesh, Kerala, and Varanasi witnessing double-digit growth. This growth is heavily backed by government push and world-class luxury wellness infrastructure. We wrap up today's bulletin with a massive win for hospitality giant Minor Hotels. The group has smashed its own records by winning 31 accolades at the Travel Plus Leisure Luxury Awards Asia Pacific 2026. Their flagship brand, Anantara Hotels and Resorts, was voted the #1 favorite hotel brand of the year. From individual luxury villas in the Maldives to elite river cruises on the Mekong, Minor Hotels is firmly cemented at the apex of luxury travel. And that's all the updates we have for you this morning on Travel World Online. For more exclusive insights and real-time travel updates, keep watching. Log into Travel World Online Radio, even on a move through your mobile or internet radio, TuneIn and Cloud TV. Thank you. And this is Anika signing off from our newsroom. Have a fantastic day ahead.
You are watching Travel World Online.